So is this considered vintage now? I think we've done like 100 shirts. Number 6 of 6 from Dead Over Rocker. Knob Creek Blenders Edition, 10-year-old, 106 proof. I don't know why I can't find it here. I have been looking. I can find every freaking Knob Creek. Except this one. A little bit of a peanutty nose. You hear the creaking in the floor. It's my wife walking up. I think she's packing for a girls' weekend. At least that's what she told me. Hmm. 106 proof. Ooh. That's really freaking good. So between the big boys, I tend to like, Knob Creek is, if they were Toyota, Knob Creek is their Lexus. This is surprisingly easy to drink. Well, not really. 106 proof. Excellent caramel back end. A little bit of buttered popcorn. Oh. It's the only pour tonight. At home, anyway. We're going to pick up the casks for Unbound Spirits tomorrow morning. We're taking them to be bottled. Should be bottled next week. You're going to hear about this. This is excellent. Is it my favorite Knob Creek? I've had the 9, I've had the 12. I haven't had any barrel picks from them or any special releases. I have not had the 21. Wow. This is a strong 85, maybe a 90. I really, really, really like this. It's an easy sipper and finishes medium. It's not real long, but it's got that toffee back end. I didn't say much in this review, but I love this, Dad. It's great doing handshakes with you. Thank you very much, buddy, and I wish you the best.